dog burping. Should I start this video over again? No, we're gonna leave it. I might be upset. Hopefully I can cut that out, edit it. I don't like to edit my videos. It's more work. It's already enough work to set things up and, you know, just think about content and when I'm gonna post and all of that. Anyway, hey, if you're new here at Jody Unfiltered, hi, I'm Jody. Thanks for stopping by. And Monetize Mondays. That's what this is. So I try and give information. I do the research so that you don't have to. How to monetize your channel quicker, faster. Hopefully, cross your fingers, because there's no like real science, rhyme or reason to YouTube, or Facebook, TikTok, but that's for another video. Today, I am going to be showing you what I purchased for myself. Whether you want to get it, it's up to you. They're inexpensive. I don't want to spend a lot of money right now. Don't have a lot of money to spend while I'm starting this channel. So this might be helpful for you. First of all, I'm going to do two. I was thinking about doing two different videos, one each, but you know what? I'm going to do them both in this video for you. This is the mini microphone. Wireless, and Hollyland. Comes in a little charging case, little charger. It's in that. Okay, charge it. It comes with the lightning receiver for older iPhones. I don't know anything about Androids, sorry, but and a USB-C receiver. And then these little transmitters, there's two. Has a little magnet on the back so that you stick it on. Actually, you know what? I'm going to stick it on. Well, let me tell you something first about these little boogers. I charged them yesterday. I was going to do this video yesterday, and I couldn't get them to connect. They weren't working. I'm like, what the heck? I charged them. What? Well, they weren't green like that, and I couldn't figure out why. I had them plugged in, everything. Oh gosh, buddy, please. Oh, there's deer in the backyard. Yeah, he's gonna start barking. I don't want to start this video over. I'm telling you, I'm totally unfiltered. But here's the thing, guess what? If you buy these Hollyland ones, so far I love them. I haven't tried them yet. You're gonna try them with me for the first time, okay? So the little charging dots. All right, look, hello. See that little blue piece of plastic? That was over the charging dots. They didn't charge. So take that little piece of plastic off if you buy these. So with that said, and that's the speaker end and a little magnet, all right? So, oops, let me do this the other way. Put the little magnet underneath your shirt, hook that on, there it is. And we're gonna try this together. So you hear me now without a microphone. Just my phone. My phone is older and my speaker sucks, as you've probably heard in my other videos. And I was using wireless cords for a long time. Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you for your service. All right. So we're just going to plug this right into the bottom of my phone and see how it sounds. And I'm going to do it live. Here I go. All right. Here I go. So bear with me. Hopefully this works. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. How does it sound? Oops, sorry. Okay. We're not starting over. I'm sorry. This is already 4 minutes in. This is bothering me too. These are making too much noise for me. Okay. Does this sound better? You're going to hear this before I do because I'm filming, so I won't. Well, that's not true. I will play this back before I post it. So I will hear it to make sure it worked okay. Yeah. Anyway, forget that. Edit that part out. That's it. Look how cute. I mean, charges in the case. You get 2 of them, so if you want to have a conversation with a friend. I hope this is working. I'm definitely going to have to redo this video over again. Oh, and guess what else they come with? A little bag. Oh, shoot. Let's see. Oh, here's my unboxing. Here's the box. Oh, it's open. It's unboxed. I know people like that. They call them furry windshields, but I've also heard them called dead cats, which is really creepy. I'm sorry. Not my name. Look, the little fuzzy, and it slips right over. I'm going to try it. It's not windy. I don't really need it, but I'm just going to see how easy it is to, it's on, huh? Hello. So how does that sound? I can even powder my nose. No, I won't do that. I'm just kidding. Right. It's not heavy. This shirt is kind of loose, and so it's so tiny. It's not heavy. And black on black. I don't know. I'm just loving it so far. I hope it sounds good. I really do. These are cute. That's that. All right, let's move on. We're almost 7 minutes. This is my car mount. I have not opened this. This just came. Let's just get this kind of out of our sight a little bit. So, Van Mass maybe. It might have a little flair to it. I wanted this one that I'm sure. Okay. See, the reason I want to do this is because, wow, how does it stretch for your phone? I'm obviously doing something wrong here. I might need to make a different video. This doesn't work out. This is gonna kind of suck. Sorry. All right, there's the little gimbal ball that obviously goes in there. Hopefully you just push it. Really? What? It's this one. I'm not even looking at what I'm doing here. I mean, I'm not. Oh, come on. What? This goes on the window, for sure, for sure. It's a little sticky. Moves like that. I really should have unboxed it and read the directions first. But, okay, what is this? Am I being really dumb right now? The clicky. Okay, stick and press. Oh, wait, 15 minutes to use. Dude, what is this for? Oh, that's for your vent. That's for your vent. Oh my God. That's what I have now in my car. It's for your vent. You stick it in your vent, you tighten it, so then you can hook it to your vent that way. Wow, sorry, it's late. My brain is not braining. Again, you're seeing the real me. But what is the deal that this won't go into there? You can't take it off. You can't take this thing off because then there's no way to put it on. It says just to push it in and then to tighten it. It's like, look how loose it is. It's as loose as I can get it. The darn thing's falling off. What? Look, lock, unlock, lock, unlock. Oh, okay. It's a little hard. So you better decide right up front if you want to use the vent or the windshield. And I want to use the windshield. I already have a vent. I'm so sorry about that. I don't know how other people do unboxings. Okay, so then you can tighten it. All right, got that. All right. I'm going to go put this on my car window and use it and do a video and see where I want to place it. If I want to place it over on the right, on the left, where I want to place it. Buddy is drinking water now. Love you, buddy. He's cleaning, making sure his dinner bowl is clean. Yeah. Anyway, Hollyland little wireless microphones. And car mount. Love you, bye.